I want to show you really quick how I planned this trip and how to use the Texas paddling trails here. There's a nifty little app that they have for all of the trails, and so what I did is I searched Boggy Bayou, and then it'll pull up. It's in Powderhorn, and it's actually really a helpful little app, and so it will show you all the different sections. It doesn't provide any info like the high tide, low tide, but the section that I'm going on, it's not a big deal because it's not fully exposed, so I'm not worried about it. Once you find your trail, you actually, if you want to sync it up with like a GPS, like I have my Garmin, and you're gonna have to use the Explore app, which is not the best app, but I'm gonna pull it up here, and I've already pre-routed this, so it gives me an access point on this. When you click on this access point, it gives you the decimal degrees coordinates that you can plug into your Garmin app, which I did. So you'll see that here, 28, 45, 8. Oops, I clicked on something else. See, this is what I mean. The app is not the most friendly. So I've struggled creating a course for this. So what I did is I created a new waypoint, and then I titled the waypoint Boggy Bayou, whatever you want to call it. There's all these little markers, but then this is where you plug in the coordinates. You can plug in those decimal degrees, 34000. Let's see what it says. Yep. So now it just, this is a new one. It just says Boggy, and it looks like the coordinates are accurate. 415534. Okay. So we'll create that access point waypoint, and then we're going to go back to this trail finder, and then it'll bring us back to GPS. So they have GPS 1 Powderhorn Trail. You're going to do the same thing. Just take those coordinates before you try creating a route. Don't do that because it's going to give you a bunch of issues. It's very manual. I wasn't able to download any kind of Excel or file with all of the different access points, but I'm sure there's a quicker way. Okay, we're gonna save that, and yeah, it looks like that worked. So I put that coordinate in, and then you'll do the same for this last one way over here. I've already created this, and then what you'll do is just gonna scroll out of this thing. You'll create a course. I'm going to show you here with the waypoints that I created. This is where it gets a little bit tricky. So to create a point, I found you have to search the name of the coordinate that you created. So these are, as you can see, so I put access point Boggy Bayou, GPS 1 Boggy Bayou, just to keep it clean. But Boggy was the first one, so that's the access point. And so you search it, you click on that, and then that creates one point. So that's the starting. And then we're going to go on Boggy. We're going to say Boggy 1. So take me to that waypoint. It thinks that I'm hiking this, so in order to change that, you have to say direct routing. And it didn't work, so I have to redo these points. Create course. Make sure this thing says direct routing. Okay, Boggy 1. We're going to go to that. And that now it has direct routing. There's no other way to really do this right now. They don't have a water routing type from my understanding. You do the same thing, just add the other point, and then you'll save that. Honestly, these Texas paddling site, whatever this is called, from the Parks and Wildlife, is super cool. Lots of paddling opportunities.